Hello my friends, today we are going to make mouth-watering lemon pickle at home. Let's start. Wash the lemons with pure water. Now, cut the lemons like this and pack each with salt. The moisture has to be completely removed in order to increase the shelf life of the pickle. The traditional and natural way to dry the lime is under the sun for 4 to 6 days. The skin of the lime becomes pale brown and the core whitish. After 6 or 7 days, squeeze the juice of limes into a pot and keep it under sunlight for 1 hour. Add the crushed chili powder to the lime juice. Pour the juice mixed with the spices into the jar of sun-dried limes. The juice needs to cover the limes in the bottle. So if the need be, squeeze more lime juice into the bottle. Close the jar tightly and place it in a cool, dry place for several weeks. The more it matures, the better. At the end of around 15 days, the lime pickle is ready to be eaten. Thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, click, share, like and add a comment to my video.